मंजिल उन्हीं को मिलती है जिनके सपनों में जान होती है। मंजिल उन्हीं को मिलती है जिनके सपनों में जान होती है। पंख से कुछ नहीं होता, हौसलों से उड़ान होती है।
Let us give applause and a heartfelt appreciation to all those who contributed to making this evening a success. Finally, I'd like to convey my gratitude to everyone here for taking the time to join us today and assisting us in making this event a huge success. Thank you, everyone.
It isn't something that happens overnight. Weeks ago, the wheels begins to turn. It necessitates forethought and a keen eye for detail. We have been lucky enough to have the support of a team of a proactive and devoted members of our institution personnel who are experts in their field.
I'm at loss for words to express my gratitude for their participation and willingness to do things outside their comfort zones.
A particular mention goes to our esteemed principal ma'am who inspire us to achieve our best and serve as a pillar of strength. We express our heartfelt gratitude to our dedicated teachers for their tireless work. Now I would like to call our junior wing coordinator Nisha ma'am for vote for thanks.
Honorable MD sir, AMD sir, Director ma'am, Seema ma'am, principals and secretaries of all the branches, all teaching and non-teaching staff, students and parents, our most esteemed guests, ladies and gentlemen. It's my privilege to propose a vote of thanks on this occasion. I, on behalf of the staff and students of SRVS Pachperwa, Mughal Sarai and the entire fraternity present here today, and on my own behalf extend a very hearty vote of thanks to all speakers for taking time from your respective schedule to grace this august occasion. I would like to thank the management and principal ma'am for giving me this opportunity. As we express our gratitude, we must never forget that the highest appreciation is not to utter words, but to live by them. Today, my words are not enough to express the gratitude on behalf of our school. I would like to thank our honorable chief guest, the district magistrate of Chandauli, who despite her busy schedule has found time to grace this occasion, and also for that inspiring and motivational talk. I'm sure that students, parents and all present here will have a lot to take away from the speech. We are all inspired by your great words. I thank our principal ma'am and secretary sir for their unstinted support for this function. My heartfelt thanks to the heads of various departments and faculties for their valuable contribution, guidance and encouragement of all our efforts. I owe special gratitude to the non-teaching staff who have worked hard to ensure that this occasion becomes a memorable success. I thank all the respective invitees present here for accepting our invitation. I thank the members of the media for their unceasing interest in covering the event and all good hearts who work behind the screen. Finally, I would like to take this opportunity to place on record our hearty thanks to our office staff for their perfect logistic support and guidance which they have extended all of us at this function. I also extend my thanks to the management group for their enormous cooperation in the organization of this event. I thank to them for their marvelous work and support. Ladies and gentlemen, once again I want to state that we are all very grateful to you all. We thank you for being with this evening. It has been a great pleasure. Thank you very much.